long time no see. It's been a couple weeks. Yeah, I think it's been a couple weeks since I posted a new video. Been kind of away from social media because of all of the things that are happening right now in the world. Was very stressed, and it kind of got to me, so I had to take a mental health break for my own self, especially since I'm in school. Couldn't let that affect me too much because I had to study and stuff, and I just couldn't be too disconnected mentally and stuff like that. So I'm glad I took my break because it was much needed. I had deleted my Instagram, not like deactivated it, but I just deleted it off my phone for a couple days. Got back on. I was like, I can't see this stuff anymore, so I'm back off. I deleted it from my phone again. Yeah. Anyways, so I want to say thank you for all the comments on not my last video, but the video before that, the one about me wanting to take down my Microlocs, because there's a lot of comments saying that how people either feel the same way or just stick with it, or that's encouraging words, so thank you guys for that. I still was having feelings about taking my Microlocs down, even yesterday, to be honest, but I'm gonna stick with it. I did a braid out last night, so took it out this morning, and my hair has a lot more fullness, which is makes me feel good about my hair. It's not stressing me out, I guess you could say. A little random update: I did swim with my hair out on a couple days ago. No, Saturday. So I put my hair in a bun. I was like, oh, the bun was stretching out enough. I should at least put my hair in like 4 braids or 2 braids at least, you know, but I left it out. And then I washed my hair afterwards with it out as well, because I was like, I want all this chlorine out of my hair. So I rinsed my hair and washed it when it was like in this state and not braided and banded. So in consequence of that, this one came out. This one came out. This one came out, which I thought I was gonna have a lot worse results actually. And this one came out too. So those are all now braids. I mean, the back ones are braids anyways. I honestly don't know how this one slips out that much, because now the other ones came out at all. But yeah, and then there's this one that had slipped. It didn't like come out from the root, but up, like, it had a whole bunch of loose hair. You see this? I tried to like twist my hair back up, but it like shrunk up this way, which is really weird. And then now I have this one. I haven't retouched the front of my hair since I think it's been 2 weeks now, or a week and a half maybe. So I did just the front 2 rows because I had to retie my whole head next weekend or the week after that. So I like to keep my edges fresh because they slip really easily. Anyways, so I had done like this one and this one, like the first 2 rows for the whole entire front of my head, and this one slipped out completely. Not completely, but like you can just see how it just slipped, so I have to fix this one like today. But anyways, this video is going to be about me counting my locks again, because I added locks in the back. Yeah, I'm going to count them for you. I'm going to count them in sections of 50. So I have all my hair ties, and I will be watching YouTube when I'm counting. But I'm gonna put them in sections of 50 and then count them all together. Okay, so I have my sections of 50, except for this one that has 15. And let's start. So 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, 50, 450, 465. Wow, okay. 465. That's how many locks I currently have. Am I ever doing this again? No. If I combine locks, I'll say I have around 460, because I'm never doing this again. But yeah. Okay, my hair looks decent. I can give you guys a proper outro. So I have 465 locks now. I had previously 456. So the 5 and the 6 is flipped around. I added 11 locks total to those back two rows. The very last bottom row had 6 total. And now it has a total of 10. And then the row above that has also 10, but I think it had 8 total last time. So, but yeah, I think my next video is gonna be my 2-month update. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in another video. Thank you so much for sticking with me and coming along with me on my journey. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video.